Hi everyone, good to see you all in another video today. Welcome to Motivational Club. In this video, I am going to share the 4 effective ways to build a great personality. If they are a great personality, you could see all these qualities with them. So I've taken the examples of them and I'm sure you'll be motivated after seeing this video. The first way is simplicity. If you see any big personality, any great personality, they follow the simplicity in their life. Whatever position they go, they don't show off. You can find them very simple. So similarly, I'm going to take an example of a client service representative. This client service representative has been working in a 5-star hotel. You know about 5-star hotel, right? There will be a lot of customers, and these client service representatives may be disturbed at any time. Similarly, one person called them at 1 p.m. in the night. 1 a.m. in the night actually, he gets a call. So this guy gets pissed off. Yeah, anyone would get pissed off actually if they are disturbed, if they are dragged at the night time, right? Similarly, this client service representative got pissed off once he got the call. And he went there to check who called him and what was the problem. And so when he knocked at the door, there was a big shock for him actually, because the person who was standing in front of him was Mr. Ajit Kumar, actor Ajit Kumar. Actor Ajit Kumar was staying in that hotel. He had some problem with the Wi-Fi. He called him at 1 a.m. in the night, and this guy was dragged for that actually. So initially he got shocked so much. After that, Mr. Ajit Kumar said actually, sorry to disturb you sir at this point of time. I know because the time is 1 a.m. in the night, you might be having a lot of priorities as well. And I've been calling you at this night time and you have been disturbed. I understood that. I'm so sorry for that actually. Could you please help me with the Wi-Fi? So seriously, this guy asked him only one question. Sir, you are actor. You are an actor, well-known actor, very famous actor. But you have been calling me sir actually. Don't call me sir. It doesn't look good. So for that, Ajit Kumar replied only one thing. He said simply that for becoming the client service representative, you would have faced a lot of troubles in your life. So everyone has to be respected, sir. It's nothing wrong to call you sir actually. For becoming this client service representative, you would have put a lot of efforts. So see the simplicity of actor Ajit Kumar. So he was so much surprised. This client service representative was so much surprised to see a personality like Ajit Kumar in person, and he could realize the simplicity. How simple the actor like Mr. Ajit Kumar is actually. So this is what we can learn from Mr. Ajit Kumar. Everyone has to be simple in their life actually. Wherever you go, whatever position you achieve, the only thing which matters is simplicity. You should be simple, right? Wherever you go. The next way to achieve a great personality is actually to become a great personality. The next way is actually treating everyone equally. If you treat everyone equally, people would respect you. Whichever position you are, once again, you might be a great personality, you may be a king of a country, but the only thing is you need to treat everyone equally. Everyone is equal actually. No one is inferior to anyone. No one is inferior to anyone. This you need to keep in mind. So for this, I'm going to take an example of my own managing director. I've been working in a company. Our managing director, he's so simple person actually. He treats everyone equally. I would like to take an example for the same actually. We all were having a dinner. Okay. So when we were having a dinner actually, there was a driver who was standing behind our managing director. Our managing director just noticed him actually. He was standing behind him. So he called him, why don't you join the dinner with us actually? Why don't you join for the dinner? And we were having a dinner in a 5-star hotel, and this guy was a little shy actually, little hesitating to have dinner with our managing director. But our managing director said only one simple thing. He asked him to sit and have your dinner actually. You just have your dinner. You don't mind who are sitting. It doesn't matter actually, everyone is equal. This is what he told him. So see the simplicity with our managing director. So whichever position he is actually, he owns around 300 crores or 400 crores. I'm not sure about the numbers, what he owns actually. That is his net worth. but the net worth doesn't matter at all. Actually, he gives importance to everyone. He treats everyone so equally. So the driver sat with him. He had dinner with us. Actually, it was a great incident. I'll not be able to forget this any time in the life. Actually, and I would like to say what he said in Tamil. He just simply said that actually, என்னப்பா நாங்களாம் சாப்பிட்டுட்டு இருக்கோம், நீ சும்மா நின்றுட்டு இருக்க, நீ என்ன பார்க்கலாம் வந்தியா, நீ சாப்பிடதான் வந்தா, எங்க கூட ஜாயின் பண்ணிக்கோ. It's a great thing. No one could be a personality like our managing director. I appreciate his personality. So this is one of the ways to achieve a great personality in life. Everyone would appreciate if you are a personality like this. And the next thing is, the third thing is appreciation. It matters a lot actually. So especially I just wanted to ask this question to all the gents or all the boys who are watching my video. Have you appreciated your mom or wife when they cooked food? Have you said actually the food is so nice? Have you ever said that actually? If you haven't said that, you tried it. They have been tolerating, they have been putting their efforts to cook food for you actually. It should taste good. So you have to appreciate them. Appreciation is one of the great qualities, right? So in case if someone is reporting to you, you are a manager, what you need to do actually, you need to identify the hidden potential in them and you need to appreciate their strengths actually. You have the strengths, you will be able to achieve so much in life. This should be your attitude actually. In case if you are not able to appreciate, you are not a great leader. That's what I would like to say. If you want to become a great personality in life, just appreciate the people around you. The people who are supporting you, you should appreciate them actually. Always say thanks to them. Thanksgiving is one of the important things actually. Whoever is helping you, whoever is supporting you, you may take an example of your security, company security. He has been working, even during this lockdown time, he has been working actually. So once you get back to office, what you can say is actually, you have been doing a great job. Just say this to them. Ask about their family. They will be more than happy. You don't want to give any money or anything to them. Just ask how they are doing, how is their family. You can make them happy. So appreciation is very, very important actually. You need to appreciate the people around you. So this is the third thing I wanted to share with you. The next thing is actually all the personalities I'm describing actually, all the great personalities, they don't show off because showing off is not for them actually. They know that showing off is not for them. Wherever you are, whichever position you are actually, what you need to do is you shouldn't be showing off to anyone. So if you take an example of Mark Zuckerberg of Facebook, the owner of Facebook actually, his net worth is somewhere around 8,540 US dollars. We cannot 8,540 crores in USD. You can't even imagine the figures, right? So he is in such a great position, but he doesn't show off actually. Whenever you see him, he wears a normal t-shirt. I've seen him in a black t-shirt, I don't remember, but when you see him actually, he would be very simple, right? So all the great personalities, they will be looking very simple actually. It doesn't matter what clothes you are wearing, it should look neat, that's all. So it doesn't matter whatever clothes you are wearing or how you are showing off actually. You don't want to show off to anyone that I am in such a great position, I own this house, I own this car. Nothing. You don't want to show anything to anyone actually. So this is what I wanted to share with you. So these are the four effective ways to build your personality. So with this, I'm going to conclude this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please keep sharing with your friends. One more important thing I forgot to say in the last video. Please hit the bell button and please subscribe to Motivational Club. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please keep supporting me. Thank you all. See you in the next video.